Today let us see about architecture of cyberspace. We already seen about some basics about cyberspace. We know that it is a virtual environment over which computer communication takes place. Or we can define cyberspace as the computer networks. Mainly we refer cyberspace as a computer network, and it is designed electronically to help for online communication. All those things we have already seen. Now let us see about the architecture of cyberspace. The first one is network infrastructure. At the core of cyberspace is the global network in infrastructure, which is often referred to as the internet. This infrastructure comprises a vast array of cybersecurity interconnected physical and virtual components, including routers, switches, data centers, and undersea cables. The Internet's architecture is based on the Internet Protocol (IP), which allows data packets to be routed across the network. Then the protocols. Various communication protocols define how data is transmitted and received in cyberspace. The Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. These two protocols are fundamental to the functioning of the Internet. Other protocols like HTTP, that means Hypertext Transfer Protocol, SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, and FTP, File Transfer Protocol, which gives specific types of data exchange. Then, Domain Name System, shortly we call it as DNS. It is a crucial component of cyberspace that translates human readable domain names, example www.example.com, into IP addresses. This system enables users to access websites and resources by name rather than needing to remember numeric IP addresses. Data centers. Data centers house the servers and storage infrastructure that store and deliver digital content and services. They play an important role in hosting websites, applications, and cloud services. Cybersecurity. The architecture of cyberspace includes various security measures to protect data, networks, and users. Firewalls, encryption, intrusion detection systems, and antivirus software are examples of cybersecurity components. Web and application servers. These servers host websites, web applications, and other online services. They respond to user requests, retrieve data from databases, and deliver content to users' devices. Then, user devices. These are the various devices through which users access cyberspace, including computers, smartphones, tablets, and IoT devices. Each device has its own hardware and software components that enable connectivity and interaction with cyberspace. Cloud computing. Cloud services and platforms are an integral part of cyberspace architecture. Cloud providers offer scalable computing resources, storage, and services, which allows organizations to leverage the cloud for various purposes. Social media and online communities. Cyberspace also includes virtual communities and social media platforms that enable users to connect, share information, and collaborate online. These platforms have their own architectures and algorithms for content delivery and interaction. Internet of Things. IoT devices are connected to cyberspace, enabling them to collect and exchange data with other devices and systems. They play a role in creating the smart aspect of cyberspace, connecting physical objects to the digital realm. Then regulations and governance. Various laws and regulations govern cyberspace to ensure security, privacy, and fair use. Organizations like ICANN, Internet Corporations for Assigned Names and Numbers, oversee domain name management, while governments have control over aspects like data protection and cybersecurity. Understanding in simple way about cyberspace architecture. It refers to the structural framework and infrastructure that supports the interconnected network of digital systems, including the internet, data centers, cloud services, and various communication networks. It encompasses a broad spectrum of components, technologies, and protocols which enable the seamless flow of information across the digital domain. So, finally, you all know now architecture of cyberspace. It composes many important components such as what are the things we already seen: network infrastructure, protocols, domain name system, data centers, cybersecurity, web and application servers, user devices, cloud computing, social media and online communities, Internet of Things, regulations and governance. All those things together will build the architecture of cyberspace.